Sundin ang tawag ng Diyos kahit hindi ito ang pinipili ng karamihan. Para sa mabungang buhay, tayo na po't magkapet pandesal. There are moments in life when we feel totally unqualified for a task, and that feeling of "I'm not worthy" can stop us in our tracks. John the Baptist felt this exact way when Jesus came to him for baptism, but Jesus insisted, demonstrating a profound humility. This act, so contrary to what we might expect from the Son of God, teaches us that doing the right thing isn't always comfortable or what we've choose for ourselves. It was an act of obedience that publicly marked the beginning of his ministry, showing us the importance of pursuing our own calling or conviction, even when it feels awkward or goes against the grain. It reminds us that having the courage to do what's right, not what's easy, is a path of true integrity. Kaya manalangin po tayo. Panginoon, nawa maging mapagkumbaba kami sa pagtugon sa iyong kalooban. Amen.